Sorry, there was an interruption. So where was I? I was just telling you that you have to just add concentration, two concentration, one inflow and one outflow. Then you come to mesh, and then you just have to build all. Then this will appear like this. And the next thing is to it was given that you have to add a study, and how you can add study in the add physics. No, in this model window bar, you can see there's accessory option, and here you can have to select just have to select stationery, and then it would be added like this stationery and anti-study, and this would be added here. And now you have to just compute it, and when you compute it, this will appear like sorry, this software takes time a little bit, so we have to just wait. Yeah, it will appear like this. And now in the last TA section, you just have to make study two. And the thing is here, one thing is different is that we have to plot the concentration on the surface because we have changed the concentration here. So when we go to concentration, then we have see like this. You can see there's the inflow concentration, and here are the concentration. Inflow concentration way much greater, and when it combines here, then the channel length becomes narrow a little bit. So now we have to select this, and in the surface option we have to go, and in the quality we have to make it extra fine. Now the third thing is we have to plot this, and we have to do again in the add study tool. We have to, yeah, in the S32, in the result of S32, you can have cutline 2D, and you have to, here we were given the task to show the width in the beginning halfway and in the end of the channel. So I just add three cutline 2D. So one is in the beginning, the second is in the middle on the halfway, and the third is in the end of the channel. So the thing is here you have to just select these points similarly as we have done before, and then you have to add in the results 1D plot group, and in the 1D plot group when you select this, and this will appear like this. Here, yeah, here you have to select 32 solution, and in the line graph one you have to select what line graph you're choosing. Like cut line 2D 3 is what this was the one where the sample width was a little bit larger because it was in the beginning. Similarly, line graph 2, click this. You have to select cut line 2D4, and similarly, line graph 3. Here you have to select cut line 2D5. And sorry, yeah. And then the main thing here is to this expression. This expression is must be C because we have to. We were given the task to make concentration plot or make a graph with concentration. So we have to plot this concentration. So we have to change this SPF from SPFU to C, and we can do it by just writing C here in all the three line graphs, as you can see, and then you just have to plot. And this thing tells you that in the as the concentration was and in the beginning it was very and the width of the channel was very large, and then when the flow was increasing, when the flow comes to cross section of my geometry, then wait, I will show you. This would be better. In the start, it was the width was very much large, and when the flow was coming from the two other inlets, side port 2 and side port 1. So the channel length decreases, and in the end of the, you can say, channel, the width of the channel is completely, you can say, finish, or the width of the channel becomes narrow. So this is the task number 2 we were given. Hopefully you can have a better understanding this time.